Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to install django on Windows in just a few minutes. Django is a powerful Python web framework used to build websites and web applications. So let's get started. First, open command prompt or PowerShell. Type the following command and press enter. If Python is installed correctly, you will see the version number display. If Python is not installed, download it from the official Python website. So for installing django, you have to open your any development environment. For instance, I have used anti-gravity. Just you have to click Ctrl and backtick to open your terminal. Now to install django, we have to run the following command, which is pip env install django. Wait a few minutes while pip downloads and install django and its dependencies. For verifying the installation, type this command python -m django version. If a version number appears, congratulations, django has been installed successfully. So for creating a first django project, we have to write the following command: django-admin startproject myproject. Let's start the development server. For that, we have to write this command: python manage.py runserver. Open your browser and visit this address. If you see the django welcome page, congratulations guys, your django installation is working correctly. That's it for the tutorial. If this video helped you install django successfully, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Python, django and AI development tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.